I know my channel is small and my views are low, so you might not take me seriously, but every single video I share here is at a level that could earn you millions, just like we made this week. A while back, I shared some information with you about Rigetti Computing Incorporated. None of you took that video seriously, but I took advantage of the dips on March 6th, bought Rigetti shares, and in just 8 days, I made roughly 30% profit. To avoid missing out on opportunities like this, you probably already know what you need to do by now. So why did Rigetti suddenly surge like this on Friday? Let's dive into the details, but first, I want to note that this video is not investment advice. I'm just sharing this for informational purposes. Rigetti Computing rose 29% on Friday and closed the day with a 28.23% gain at $11.22. This was tied to investors turning to AI stocks to escape ongoing market uncertainties, and I think this behavior from investors tells us a lot. But Rigetti wasn't the only one showing such a rise. Alongside Rigetti, D-Wave Quantum Incorporated gained 41% and IONQ saw a 13% increase. One of the main reasons for the growing interest in Rigetti is that RGTI recently secured a $35 million investment from Quanta Computer, launching a joint project worth $100 million over the next 5 years to advance quantum computing. After this event, excessive confidence in Rigetti started building up in the market. Under this agreement, Quanta bought RGTI shares at $11.59 each, investing a total of $35 million. Following the investment, both sides announced they'd invest $100 million over the next 5 years to develop quantum computers. At the same time, RGTI plans to release a 36-qubit system based on 4 9-qubit chips by mid-2025. By the end of the year, they aim to launch a system with over 100 qubits that will reduce error rates by half compared to current levels. Overall, RGTI ranked third on the list of top-performing AI stocks on Friday. In my opinion, this rise isn't just short-term hype, it's also an indicator of long-term potential. Even though quantum computing hasn't fully commercialized yet, progress in this field is catching investors' attention because this technology could revolutionize areas like artificial intelligence, medicine, finance, and security in the future. I also think the partnership with Quanta doesn't just provide Rigetti with financial support, it also creates an opportunity to leverage the production power of a global company like this. Quanta Computer is one of the world leaders in server and laptop manufacturing, and this collaboration will help Rigetti produce quantum chips faster and on a larger scale. This partnership looks very promising to me because one of the biggest challenges in quantum computing is hardware development. Having a company like Quanta involved could give Rigetti an edge over competitors like IONQ and D-Wave. Honestly, Rigetti's technological roadmap excites me because two key things are needed to bring quantum computers closer to practical use: more qubits and fewer errors. If Rigetti can achieve these goals, it'll take a huge step toward quantum advantage. But there's a risk here too. Developing systems like this is expensive, and if they fail, the company's financial situation could worsen. That's why it's crucial to analyze the risks properly from the start. In my view, we shouldn't just keep Rigetti in the spotlight. There's value in paying attention to companies like D-Wave Quantum Incorporated and IONQ too. D-Wave focuses on quantum annealing technology and leads in solving optimization problems. IONQ, on the other hand, uses trapped ion technology and stands out with more stable systems that can operate at room temperature. In Q3 of 2024, IONQ generated $12.4 million in revenue, a 102% increase, while D-Wave recorded $1.6 million with a slight revenue drop. Although all three companies are operating at a loss, IONQ's revenue growth and customer base, like AstraZeneca and the US Air Force, stand out. Rigetti's strength lies in its focus on superconducting qubits and its partnership with Quanta, but when I look at IONQ's stronger financial metrics and customer portfolio, I think it's lagging a bit in the competition. D-Wave is strong in its niche, but it doesn't have the broad potential in the overall quantum computing market that Rigetti and IONQ do. So, what are your thoughts on these three companies? If you're an investor looking to buy stocks right now, which of these three would you pick first, and why? Lastly, I want to say that if this video gets 100 likes, I'll share a few more companies like this, ones with high potential that no one's talking about yet. Also, if you want to get up to $30 in free cryptocurrency or stocks, make sure to check out the comment I've pinned in the comments section of this video. And always keep this in mind, a $100 investment you make today could make your life 100 times better 10 years from now.